Hello, hello, what's going on, internet world? This is my Lucky Leaf sunglasses case. I've only had this sunglass case for several months now, and I was just really getting tired of having to put my sunglasses either on top of my head or in my shirt or something like that, and feeling like I couldn't put it in my purse because I'd be worried of them breaking or getting smashed or scratched or something like that. So I decided to be a grown-up and order myself an eyeglass case. And as you can see, I got a really cute, stylish, faux snakeskin gold one. It comes in all types of different colors and different designs and patterns to fit your taste. It measures 6.7 inches by 2.8 inches by 2 inches. We'll open it up. And each case comes with a cleaning cloth. It's really awesome to clean your sunglasses with. Oh, hello, hello. And it doesn't scratch, like it cleans them really well and doesn't scratch them. I love this, that it comes with that. And it comes with a microfiber cloth bag. Very nice cloth bag to carry around in as well. And it's hard on the outside. It has a hard appearance and texture on the outside, and then once you open it, that's something we're going to talk about. Once you open it, it's nice and soft and velvety on the inside, and I usually just leave the cloth on the inside too when I carry this around, so I have it to clean my sunglasses whenever I want. The case is leather, and it's good for carrying around your sunglasses. Yes, of course, that's why I purchased it in the first place. But of course, your regular glasses, like reading glasses, watches, ladies, our feminine products or other women's products can go in there. We can stash makeup. You can pretty much, yes, you can use this as a sunglass case, but you can also put other things in it and carry it around too. And it fits small to large sunglasses. And these are a wide frame sunglasses, and it still fits it. Now, like I said, I have had this for, I say only several months now, so it's only been about 3 months, and already, as you have seen in the video, the top or the bottom, will just all of a sudden, ooh, this comes out so easily. But, I mean, it's an easy fix. I know I can just get some more glue, some super glue, and just stick it back in there. Boom, easy fix. So, it's really nothing that I would complain too much about. But, however, for me to only have it for several months, I am kind of oh, why is it doing that already? But either way, it's still a great product and something that I really like, and I'm definitely glad that I purchased it. And it was pretty cheap. I think only maybe $8 or $9 or something like that. So it's definitely worth the money. It seems to be pretty durable. I've got just a little scratch there, you can see. Just that scratch there, but for the most part it's very durable. It's hard, if you accidentally drop it, it's gonna be okay, so you don't have to worry about that. It travels well, fits nicely inside of a purse. Of course, a regular size purse, a small purse, no, that's not gonna do, but a regular purse or bag or your luggage or something like that, it's going to fit and makes my life so much easier because I have somewhere to put my sunglasses, and I know that they're safe. I don't like having to put them on the table. If you're going out to dinner or something, you can put them in there, put them in your purse, and you know that it's not going to get scratched or accidentally broken or something like that. I have not had to replace anything or fix anything. It's been holding up very, very well. When it's not in my purse and in use, then I just leave it on my dresser where it's somewhere safe. But again, this isn't a child's product either, so you don't want your children to get a hold of it, because most likely they'll open it up and they'll bend it too far and it will definitely be broken very, very soon. It comes already assembled, so we are good there. There's no smell or odor to it, and even being out in the heat, it still held up very well. Although I wasn't outside for too long, I'd say, it was maybe an hour, hour and a half, and it held up good to the heat, and it didn't melt or anything like that, or become tacky, like how some things can be if they're left in intense heat for too long. It still held up very, very well. So I am just very overall happy with this product. The Lucky Leaf, not much info on them, but they do have different women's accessories, like the eyeglass cases, and I also saw some hats and some really cute scarves. I tried to find more information on them, but I really only ran into the Lucky Leaf Dessert Company, and there's also a Lucky Leaf Cannabis retailer. So the Lucky Leaf accessories, you don't want to confuse with those two. But this, just an introduction and an overview of my Lucky Leaf sunglass case.